You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this Japanese professional boxer? Let's break it down. If you want to learn more names from boxing, make sure to stay tuned because we got loads here on the channel that are quite interesting. In Japanese, it's said as Naoya Inoue, or Inoue Naoya, or in English, Naoya Inoue, Naoya Inoue. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.